A very good afternoon, thanks for clicking on to the Sunday edition of Vogan's European Outlook. Hope you are enjoying your weekend so far. I did tweet this morning, or retweet, heavy snowfall across the high elevations of Spain. And, it's amazing actually when you look at the fact that we're just about to approach the month of May. We're seeing fresh snow, we're seeing excellent ski conditions over the mountainous regions of Spain, and it looks as if we are going to continue to see that. Very, very chilly air for the time of the season down into the southwest of Europe, while all the while with the trough digging south over Western Europe, you can bet your bottom dollar we're going to have southerly winds ridging and warm weather further east, and that is exactly what we're seeing through Italy, the Balkans, and into Greece and Turkey as well. So, quiet across the British Isles for the majority of today, but that will change as we go into this evening. We're going to see that area of low pressure deepen as it lifts north out of France. Squeeze the ice bars mean we are going to be talking about gale force winds along the East Anglian and the Kent coast. Could be talking about gusts in excess of 60 miles an hour, but factor in the fact that we've got a very strong northerly or northeasterly wind and very heavy wind-driven rain. It is going to be decidedly miserable over the southeastern corner of the British Isles through the course of tonight and through pretty much all of tomorrow, easing as we go through the day tomorrow. But it is going to be a very, very messy morning commute to start the new work week. Area of high pressure, as you can see here, across the northern half of the British Isles. So clear skies, light winds tonight mean we're going to see frost in rural areas once again. And then, of course, like I say, as we go through the course of the day, that system eventually starts to push eastwards. May see some sleetiness over higher parts of the southeast as that system pulls away. We've got a brief ridge of high pressure settling things down for most areas during the course of tomorrow night, and then we are going to be talking about a system coming in from the west during the course of Tuesday night and into Wednesday. So we're going to return the the westerly flow once again, and a fresh feel to things as well. So it doesn't look as if we've got any major heat to speak about just yet. Now, interesting enough, while I say that, it does look as if we could see something a little bit nicer towards next weekend, towards the bank holiday weekend. The reason why is we've got a system that will track a little bit further up towards Iceland, and with high pressure centred over the Azores, we could see that southwesterly flow return once again, pulling up the temperature once again. But over, you notice here across Northern Ireland, Scotland, the north of England, we're still dominated by systems coming in from the Atlantic here overall. So it's a fairly changeable open to the month of May overall. Hope you have a great day, and certainly if you are in the southeast tomorrow, wrap up warm, because not only is it windy, is it wet, but we're going to be talking about temperatures probably only about 5 or 6 degrees across many parts of Norfolk and Suffolk, and even down into the Greater London area. Temperatures are going to be way, way down compared to what we're seeing, compared to what you would typically see at this time of the year. So stay tuned, and I'll have more in the written post later on today. Bye for now.